The most powerful motivational quotes. I don't believe you have to be better than everybody else. I believe you have to be better than you ever thought you could be. Ken Venturi. Ken Venturi's quote emphasizes personal growth over competition. It suggests that self-improvement, not superiority over others, should be the primary focus. It encourages us to transcend our own perceived limitations rather than comparing ourselves to others, a practice often leading to dissatisfaction and stress. The statement instills a growth mindset, urging us to strive for our personal best and continuously evolve. The profound insight is the shift from extrinsic validation, being better than others, to intrinsic motivation, being better than our past selves. This shift fosters resilience, self-efficacy, and authentic self-improvement. The takeaway is to focus on personal development and potential, breaking away from the constraints of comparison. It teaches us that the true measure of success is subjective, anchored in self-improvement and personal satisfaction rather than in comparison to others. This perspective can lead to a more fulfilling, less anxiety-driven life. With the new day comes new strength and new thoughts. Eleanor Roosevelt. Eleanor Roosevelt's quote encapsulates the concept of resilience and optimism. Each day's dawn is metaphorically a fresh canvas, offering opportunities to reset, learn, and grow. The new strength symbolizes the human capacity to replenish physical and emotional energy, suggesting our innate ability to recover and adapt. The new thoughts underscore the essentiality of cognitive flexibility, which facilitates creativity and problem-solving, allowing us to navigate life's complexities more effectively. The constant possibility of renewal and transformation in our lives. It's a reminder that despite hardships or failures, each day holds the potential for redemption and progress. Embrace each day as a chance for self-improvement and innovation. Resilience and optimism are crucial for navigating life's inevitable challenges. Resilience is not just about bouncing back, but also advancing forward with renewed vigor and perspective. Life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you react to it. Charles R. Swindoll. Charles R. Swindoll's quote encapsulates the significance of personal agency and resilience in shaping life experiences. The 10% refers to the uncontrollable events in life, circumstances that are beyond our influence. In contrast, the 90% represents our reactions, the part we can control. It underscores the power of our attitudes, perspectives, and choices, that while we can't always control life's events, we can control our responses. This speaks to the concept of responsibility, our ability to choose our response, which is the cornerstone of emotional intelligence. Accept that certain things in life are beyond our control and focus on cultivating a resilient and adaptive mindset. How we interpret and respond to life's challenges largely defines our experiences, shaping our happiness, growth, and overall life trajectory. Hence, personal agency is a driving force in determining life quality. If you can dream it, you can do it. Walt Disney. Walt Disney's quote, "If you can dream it, you can do it," is an ode to the power of imagination, ambition, and determination in realizing one's goals. For instance, the vision of landing on the moon was once a dream, but it became a reality through relentless pursuit. Positively, this statement encourages innovation, as dreams often challenge existing paradigms. It's an inspiration for startups, whose disruptive ideas reshape industries like Uber did for transportation. Underlying this quote is the assertion that dreams can be catalysts for action, sparking creativity and driving commitment. It encourages us to dream big, but also to act. In conclusion, while dreams fuel progress, their realization demands more than imagination. It requires action, resilience, resources, and often a touch of serendipity. Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can, Arthur Ashe. Arthur Ashe's quote is a call to action. Start now, with existing resources, doing what's possible. It encourages immediate action, like starting a business from a garage with limited funds. Positively, it promotes resourcefulness and pragmatism, making the most of what's available, as Airbnb did, starting with an air mattress. However, it might oversimplify complex situations. For instance, solving climate change requires more than individual actions. It needs systemic changes. The power of starting and doing, highlighting that progress often comes from small, consistent efforts. While immediate action and resourcefulness are vital, some challenges also need systemic solutions. Nevertheless, every significant change begins with a single step, however small. What you do today can improve all your tomorrows. Ralph Marston. Ralph Marston's quote emphasizes the influence of today's actions on future outcomes. It encourages immediate and meaningful action, such as adopting healthy habits today for future wellness. On the positive side, it fosters foresight and disciplined action, like investing early for long-term financial security. However, it may oversimplify complex situations. For instance, one day's effort can't transform all aspects of life overnight. It requires consistent commitment. The concept of cause and effect, advocating proactive behavior for better future outcomes. In essence, while today's actions significantly influence future outcomes, sustained effort and consistency are key. The quote urges us to make each day count, shaping a better future through diligent action today. Begin to be now what you will be hereafter. William James. William James' quote encourages immediate action towards future aspirations. It promotes personal development, like studying today to become a future professional. Positively, it instills proactive behavior and foresight, like starting a fitness regimen today to be healthier in future. It might overlook the necessity of time and gradual progress. Becoming a skilled pianist, for instance, requires years of practice. The importance of present actions in shaping future outcomes, emphasizing continuous self-improvement. In conclusion, the quote advocates for starting now to become what we envision in the future, acknowledging that substantial growth requires time, commitment, and consistent effort. Always do your best. What you plant now, you will harvest later. Ogmandino. Ogmandino's quote, "Always do your best. What you plant now, you will harvest later," advocates consistent effort and foresight. It's akin to studying diligently for future career success. Positively, it encourages commitment and strategic thinking, like investing time and resources now for future rewards, as seen in successful businesses. However, it may oversimplify life's unpredictability. Exceptional effort doesn't guarantee success. External factors, such as market conditions, matter. In essence, while consistent effort is crucial for achieving long-term goals, it's also important to understand that success often depends on a combination of factors, including timing, opportunity, and sometimes sheer luck. Nevertheless, the quote reminds us that the seeds of effort we sow today are often the fruits of success we reap tomorrow. Your talent is God's gift to you. What you do with it is your gift back to God. Leo Buscaglia. Leo Buscaglia's quote posits talent as a divine endowment, urging its utilization as a reciprocal gift. It celebrates the act of honing one's skills, akin to an artist perfecting their craft. In a positive light, it encourages gratitude and stewardship, inspiring us to develop and share our talents to enrich ourselves and others. On the flip side, it risks inducing guilt or pressure, with the implication that unused or unconventional talents are wasted gifts. For instance, a talent for empathy may not be traditionally celebrated, but it's equally valuable. The essence of this quote is the commendation of recognizing, cultivating, and applying our unique gifts, hinting at a spiritual dimension to personal fulfillment. In a nutshell, while the quote champions the nurturing and application of talents, it's equally important to acknowledge that talents come in myriad forms, and their value isn't solely defined by societal norms or recognitions. Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going. Sam Levinson. Sam Levinson's quote inspires resilience and continuous action, paralleling the relentless ticking of a clock. It's a reminder to maintain momentum, much like a marathon runner persevering despite exhaustion. In a positive context, this quote encourages relentless effort and resilience, like entrepreneurs toiling tirelessly beyond standard hours. However, it can be misconstrued to endorse overworking, neglecting the importance of rest and balance for sustainable productivity and health. At its heart, the quote champions persistence and consistency, reminding us of time's ceaseless march. In essence, while the quote promotes unyielding effort, it's vital to remember that sustainable success often involves a balanced rhythm of work, rest, and rejuvenation, much like the day-night cycle of a clock.